JM Hardware is a professional manufacturer of high-strength, corrosion-resistant, withstands high and low temperatures fasteners, established in 2006, headquarters in Shanghai. We have established factories in Shaoxing, Dongtai, Ningbo, and Jiaxing alongside a subsidiary in Hong Kong. Our workforce totals 256 employees, including 18 R&D engineers and 22 quality control staff. JM Hardware mainly manufactures bolts, studs, nuts, washers, stamped parts, machining parts, etc. Materials including nickel-based special alloys, duplex stainless steel, titanium alloys, and high-strength alloy steels. Size from M1 M150, the length from 10 to 2000 millimeters. JM Hardware is a registered trademark in the United States, the European Union, and the United Kingdom. Products are exported to 85 countries, serving over 100 engineering project clients, 200+ industrial manufacturers, and fastener distributors. JM Hardware operates over 200 sets of intelligent, automated equipment. This includes comprehensive production lines for forging, machining, stamping, and heat treatment, with an annual production capacity exceeding 34,000 tons. The facility is equipped with 1,000-ton universal tensile testing machines, Charpy impact testers, chemical analyzers, magnetic particle inspection units, and ultrasonic flaw detectors. Through an integrated ERP plus OA collaborative management system, our company achieves end-to-end digital control spanning raw materials, finished products, and after-sales service. JM Hardware holds ISO 9001 API and PED 4.3 international certifications, ensuring products meet stringent global industrial standards. JM Hardware fasteners are widely used in the field of energy, petrochemicals, marine, electronics and communications, construction machinery, and instrumentation. With 2 decades of specialized expertise in fasteners, JM Hardware possess extensive R&D and manufacturing capabilities. Our distinctive services include free provision of bespoke solutions, except small batch custom orders, multilingual 24-hour online technical support, resolving technical challenges in special alloys, custom fasteners, supply door-to-door delivery service covering the entire logistics chain. JM Hardware is dedicated to creating value for our customers through differentiated services. Choosing JM Hardware, choose reassurance. Welcome both new and old customers to inquire about collaboration.